Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Mr. Rizal. I am Rus Emilia Sahadan from Group Lex 97. Now I am doing my self-reflection video, my 7th self-reflection video. I will tell about what we have done in our 7th meeting. Okay. During our 7th meeting, we are discussing about our second theme for our booklet. So our members are suggested many places, suggested many themes that they think suitable for our second booklet. Different with the first one. The second one we are actually focused on things that are not suggested yet during our first meeting, during our first booklet. The theme are include educational, historical, food, and also fun. For the historical theme, it actually a quite interesting theme, but some of us have think that food is more suitable than the historical and also the educational. This might be because of our most of us have taking the nutrition course, so food are more related to us, I think. Other than that, one of us also suggested the fun theme, but the fun theme is he is suggested the fun theme, but it need to use money. It need cost to use. It need a high cost to do the theme. So all of us majority decided on the theme of food because it is more related to us, and also it is more I think more
more delicious.
And we all of us like to eat. That's all for me. Thank you.